Hello and welcome back to Gorilla Garage, and today, to celebrate National Dashcam Day, Road Angel have kindly sent me the Halo Guardian to review because they are giving away 5 free dashcams. Now if you want a chance to win, wait till the end of the video. I'll tell you how to get involved. So we'll start off with the website, and this is the Road Angel website About Us page. Obviously Road Angel are predominantly known for their old school radar systems, but they do a lot of new stuff, including the Sync, which gives you like radars and smart technology for the motorways. They do looks like control units, as in radios, and they of course do the dash cams that we're looking into. They also offer a 3-year warranty, 30-day money back guarantee, hassle-free returns, and free UK delivery. So moving on to their products, you can see here they do speed awareness, dash cam bundles, GPS trackers, all sorts of accessories, car care, spares and car stereos. So here is a selection of their dash cams. Obviously there's multiple choices, but we are going to look at the Halo Guardian 2K dual dash cam today. As you can see here, the retail price is $239.99. On the shelf, you are looking at a £50 saving. I believe you can get an extra discount while the offer is on. So let's just have a look at some of what this can offer. So we have got the parking protection, front 140 degree and rear 120 wide angle lens, smooth steady crystal clear footage, auto image stabilization, ADAS technology, smart assistance built in, which we'll get into further on. Just speak, it listens. Enjoy effortless operations with our voice control feature. Just say take photo, lock video, or turn on and off audio, which I've covered in a previous video. Integrated GPS, night mode, winter heating mode, connectivity and parking mode, which I love. What's in the box? I will cover this again in a minute. Obviously you've got the actual camera itself, the rear facing camera, the static film, the start guide and the USB cable. So on that note, you will need a memory card. They do of course recommend that you use their own. I only use theirs as they know what they're talking about and I've never had an issue. So you will need to get a memory card, as I don't believe it comes in the box. So while we do the unboxing, why do you need a dash cam? So every single day, millions of us get behind the wheel, assuming we'll get home safely. We trust our own driving, but we can't always trust the drivers around us. In a split second, a perfectly normal commute can turn into an absolute nightmare. Suddenly you're standing on the side of the road, dealing with shock, anger, confusion, and this is where the headache really starts. The police turn up. Stories change incredibly fast. The person who just cut you off will suddenly claim that it was entirely your fault. Without solid evidence, it becomes your word against theirs, a stressful game. But people lie, memories fade under stress, and witnesses walk away. A dash cam never forgets, never blinks, and will always tell you the obvious truth. It is the ultimate witness that proves that you are not at fault, that protects your finances, your clean record, and your license. Don't wait until you wish you had one. Protect your peace of mind and get a Road Angel. You've got the main screen there. You can scroll through the pictures. That's your rear screen. You have the emergency setting as well. I suppose if you see a crash or whatever, or something's going on and you need to quickly film it, then that is a good little feature. You've got like your gallery section, and then obviously you've got all your settings. Video settings, which is all like your 1080p. You can turn down everything. So you've got parking mode activation, record clip duration, storage compression in 4K, audio recording, refresh rate, time lapse, speed, latitude, emergency vehicle, parking mode. In settings, you've got the Wi-Fi on, lane departure, forward collision warning, voice control, screen illumination, speaker, date format, speed unit, bit of everything. It does do some cool features as well as this. Take photo. and it takes a photo. Now that's really cool. That's really good if someone cuts you up or something and you want to get the reg or something along those lines. It also does turn off audio.
Audio recording deactivated.
If you don't want it to hear what you say, but I'll leave that on. So turn on audio.
Audio recording activated.
Now that's cool. So obviously the main reasons that you'd have a dash cam is for when some idiot crashes into you. So here's an example here where you'd want evidence of this because no one's ever going to believe you. But while we're talking this, we'll just have a quick scan through of some video of the front camera. As you can see, the quality is absolutely amazing, crystal clear. You can't ask for much more than that, really. So this also has a ADAS system where if you go over white lines,
attention, lane departure alert.
It tells you that you've gone over the white lines. Again,
attention, lane departure alert.
Absolutely brilliant. So thank you again to Road Angel for sending me that. Brilliant bit of kit. Love it as per usual. Amazing quality from Road Angel. They are celebrating Dashcam Day, which is the 5th of August. So as described in the first section of the video, to win one of 5 randomly selected dash cams, you need to follow the Instagram account for Road Angel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe or follow my Instagram or my YouTube channel, which will all be in the description below, and Road Angel will randomly select 5 winners to win one of their products. Whilst the promotion, if you use the discount code RADASHCAM20, you will get a 20% discount on the promotion as well. So win-win for everyone. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you buy this product, please feel free to put a comment in the comment section. Always brilliant to speak to you guys. Let me know what you think. Let Road Angel know what you think of their product as well, because they're always trying to improve their customer service, which, to be fair, is top notch anyway. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to press the buttons.